in joining Friends of Cody's. We have a new process that we are looking to share with you to help you get connected with us. We want to know what you're up to. Thank you for your interest in joining Friends of Cody's. This video is to help you navigate the new processes. Thank you for your interest in joining Friends of Cody's. This video is created. Thank you for your interest in joining Friends of Cody's. We are recording this video to help you navigate the process of submitting your interest in joining the kitchen. We have teamed up with the food corridor and the kitchen door to help streamline processes. So you want to start with www.thekitchendoor.com. From there, you'll type in your zip code, keeping in mind that you must be within 50 miles of the kitchen to join. Friends of Cody should come up as your first option in New Orleans. You'll click View Kitchen. From there, there's a lot of information about our kitchen description. If you scroll down, there's pricing, location, features, amenities, equipment. You name it, there's a plethora of information regarding our kitchen. But if you scroll back up to the top and click Contact Kitchen, from there, you will enter your info. Please enter as much information as possible. Business stage, website, social media link. We use this information to determine if you are best fit for the current capacity that we have at the kitchen. How many hours are you interested in per month? Do you have preferences in days or time? If you don't have a preference, that's okay as well. What is your monthly budget like? Choose an amount that pertains to you, to your capabilities at this moment. And then leave us a message. Is there any additional information that helps you stand out amongst other businesses that are interested in joining our kitchen? Are there any pertinent deadlines that we should keep in mind in prioritizing your onboarding? Don't leave anything blank. Scroll down, click Submit Interest. From there, just as the website states, someone from Friends of Cody's will be in contact with you. If you like additional information or resources, please feel free to continue to peruse this website. Other than that, we look forward to connecting with you. Thank you for your interest in Friends of Cody's.